Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Personal Branding and Networking. Introduction. In today's competitive world, personal branding and networking play a crucial role in shaping our professional success and overall well-being. Personal branding is the process of creating a unique identity and reputation for oneself, while networking involves building meaningful relationships with others in our industry or field. Together, these two elements form a powerful combination that can open doors to new opportunities, enhance our personal growth, and establish a strong presence in our chosen domain. In this crash course, we will explore the importance of personal branding and networking, share inspiring stories and examples, and delve into the top 12 techniques to excel in this realm. Section 1: The Power of Personal Branding. Defining personal branding, understanding what personal branding entails and its impact on our professional lives. Authenticity and differentiation, embracing our unique qualities and crafting a brand that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Storytelling and value proposition, crafting a compelling narrative and communicating our value to others effectively. Online presence, leveraging digital platforms to build a strong personal brand and showcase our expertise. Consistency and professional image, ensuring consistency across all touchpoints and maintaining a professional image. Section 2: The Art of Networking. Building genuine relationships, cultivating authentic connections based on trust, respect, and shared interests. Active listening and effective communication, mastering the art of listening attentively and communicating with clarity and empathy. Seeking mentorship and guidance, identifying mentors who can offer guidance, support, and valuable insights. Engaging in industry events and associations, participating in conferences, seminars, and industry associations to expand our network. Giving and receiving, fostering a culture of reciprocity by offering assistance and support to others while being open to receiving help. Section 3: Top 12 Personal Branding and Networking Techniques. 1. Define your brand identity, clearly articulate your values, strengths, and passions to establish a strong personal brand foundation. 2. Craft your elevator pitch, develop a concise and compelling introduction that highlights your unique skills and expertise. 3. Build an engaging online presence, curate your online profiles, and create valuable content that reflects your personal brand. 4. Attend networking events, actively participate in industry events, conferences, and meetups to expand your professional network. 5. Seek mentorship, identify experienced professionals in your field who can provide guidance and support as you grow. 6. Create and share thought leadership content, demonstrate your expertise by sharing valuable insights through blog posts, articles, or videos. 7. Engage in social media communities, join relevant social media groups and engage in meaningful conversations to connect with like-minded individuals. 8. Develop active listening skills, practice active listening to deepen your understanding of others and build stronger relationships. 9. Volunteer or collaborate, offer your skills and time to worthy causes or collaborate with others to expand your network and make a positive impact. 10. Attend professional development workshops, continuously enhance your skills and knowledge by attending workshops and training programs. 11. Build a personal board of advisors, surround yourself with trusted individuals who can provide guidance and support in different areas of your life. 12. Cultivate a growth mindset, embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement, always seeking new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Summary: personal branding and networking are essential components of personal development and well-being. By consciously shaping our personal brand and building meaningful connections, we can enhance our professional success, unlock new opportunities, and cultivate a fulfilling career. Through the techniques discussed in this crash course, we can craft an authentic personal brand, establish a strong network, and thrive in today's dynamic and interconnected world. Poem. In a sea of faces and names, I stand apart. Crafting my brand, a work of art. Personal branding, a journey to embark. To showcase my talents and leave a mark. Authenticity is my guiding light. Embracing what makes me shine bright. Differentiating myself from the crowd. Creating a brand that makes others proud. Storytelling weaves the threads of my tale. Painting a picture, making others inhale. The value I bring, the skills I possess. Communicating my worth, no less. In the digital realm, I make my stand. Crafting an online presence, brand. Curating my profiles with care. Sharing content that others will share. Networking is the bridge I build. Connecting with others, my dreams fulfilled. Building relationships, strong and true. Supporting others, and they support me too. Active listening, a skill I hone. Understanding others, their stories known. Communication with empathy and grace. In every conversation, leaving a trace. Mentors guide me on this winding road. Wisdom they share, like a secret code. Industry events and associations I attend. Expanding my network, an endless trend. Givers we are, in this interconnected dance. Helping others, creating a lasting chance. Receiving with gratitude, a heart that's open. A cycle of support, an unbreakable token. The top 12 techniques, a roadmap to follow. Defining my brand, standing tall, not hollow. Crafting an elevator pitch, concise and true. Building an engaging online presence, I do. Networking events, where connections thrive. Mentorship sought, to help me thrive. Thought leadership content, my expertise shared. Social media communities, where I'm heard. Active listening, a skill I refine. Volunteering and collaboration, a purpose I find. Professional development, continuous growth. A personal board of advisors, guiding both. A growth mindset, my compass, my guide. Embracing challenges with arms open wide. Personal branding and networking, hand in hand. A path to success, in this vast, dynamic land. Song. Verse 1. In a world that's bustling with noise, I seek my unique voice. Personal branding, a journey to ignite. I'll shine my light, I'll take flight. Chorus. Crafting my brand, oh so strong. Building connections all along. Personal development, well-being too. This crash course guides me through. Verse 2. Storytelling weaves my tale. Sharing my journey without fail. Value and skills, I proudly display. Communicating my worth, come what may. Chorus. Crafting my brand, oh so strong. Building connections all along. Personal development, well-being too. This crash course guides me through. Bridge. Networking bridges, I will build. Authentic relationships, forever filled. Listening with empathy, I'll connect. In this web of support, I'll reflect. Chorus. Crafting my brand, oh so strong. Building connections all along. Personal development, well-being too. This crash course guides me through. Outro. Personal branding, a path I tread. Networking, where dreams are fed. With these tools in my grasp, success and fulfillment, I'll clasp. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.